Sunset Mountain Ranch is roughly 325 acres in the heart of the Ozarks, where productive farmland meets natural beauty. Located near Prairie Grove in the Boston Mountains, the area is known for its abundant wildlife and access to outdoor recreation. White-tailed deer and turkey are common, and nearby access to the Ozark National Forest expands opportunities for hunting, hiking, and trail riding. The ranch is anchored by a custom-built 4,000-square-foot home offering a meticulously designed living space with modern farmhouse style. The home features vaulted ceilings, abundant natural light, and thoughtful finishes throughout, with a spacious kitchen opening to an inviting living area. The diverse land features exceptional water resources, along with a mix of hay fields, rolling terrain, and mature timber. Additional residences, including a well-maintained second home, a charming guest house, and a smaller cabin, offer flexible options for extended family or potential rental income. Sunset Mountain Ranch, supported by 6 ponds and multiple springs, is well-suited as a working farm, recreational property, or private rural retreat. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact Alan Treadwell or Jeff Lovin or visit HaydenOutdoors.com today.